Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. You need to start by installing your new defaults. I will go into Play Store and install Opera Mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and click on Home button. Now go into Settings and click on Apps and Notifications. From here you need to scroll all the way down and click on Advanced. Then scroll down again and click on Default Apps. Now you need to click on one of those sections. I will go with Browser app, click on an app that you wish to set up, in my case Opera, and choose the back button. As you can see, after that, my default has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!